Welcome back friends. In last video we explained all about the Bitcoin, blockchain technology and whether it is legal to invest in India. If you not watched yet, kindly check the link above and also available in the description box. The cryptocurrency market has continued to witness a boom despite the global pandemic wreaking havoc on all significant economies on the planet. So in this video we will explain you the risk factors in the cryptocurrency investment and about the alternate coins. So let's begin. Many of us thinking it's too late to invest now in Bitcoin as the price is already surged than the buying limit. But cryptocurrency market contains more than 10,000 coins, so let's discuss about all those. Alternate coins for the Bitcoins. The cryptocurrencies modeled after Bitcoins are collectively called as altcoins or alternate coins. There are lot of altcoins available like Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum, Polygon, Doge and many more, which all are working in different technology and used for different purpose and available in different prices. Now let's see what are the risk factors we need to consider while buying. First is price volatility. The value of bitcoins and other cryptocurrency can change drastically over a small period of time. Bitcoin reached a value of $64,800 in April 2021, after that falling up to $29,000 within 2 months, and now if you saw the price of Bitcoin is almost $56,000. The price volatility is depending on the news and the tweets. For example, Elon Musk tweeted Tesla will accept the Bitcoin. Then Bitcoin went all-time high price as $64,800, and after some days Elon Musk tweeted Tesla withdraw the accepting Bitcoin. Later the Bitcoin went to $28,000. Also, if you saw the recent news by Indian governments, after that Bitcoin went to $56,000. What is the second risk factor? Some countries banned cryptocurrency. There are some countries that have completely closed their doors on cryptocurrency and have imposed a stringent ban on these digital tokens like China, Egypt, Bolivia, Indonesia, Turkey. As cryptocurrency will impact their own country currency, so still some countries are discussing about the ban of crypto usage, like what is happening now in India. This kind of news will impact the market and will give bearish sign. So now next question may pop in your mind. How safe is to trade in cryptocurrency? So the risk factor are comparatively more than regular share market, as share market is regulated by government appointed SEBI. Due to its decentralized nature, the trading of cryptocurrency doesn't fall under the ambient of any regulator and they can be volatile. Indian government also mentioned that they will prohibit all private cryptocurrency in India, and there is no clear note regarding what is meant by private cryptocurrency. So crypto investors are hopeful that government will not opt for a blanket ban on cryptocurrencies in India. What is our thought on cryptocurrency? Here you can see the fall and bounce back prices of the BTC, but after every crash the market got recovered and bounced back to all-time high prices. And you are thinking, if I invested today I will become millionaire next day, means it's not at all possible. For better growth and more profitable, you need to hold for long term. Example, as I told before, if you invested 700 Indian rupees in Bitcoin in 2010, now it will be worth of 1 crore. Yes, in past 11 years, Bitcoin growth is around 14.28 lakh %. Before investing in any coin, just check the project background and current market status and invest at your own risk. As I told, patience is the key to success. Here is the bottom line. With more countries seeking to regulate the market, then cryptocurrency will become mainstream. If the rising prices in the crypto market have got you thinking that it is too late to invest in cryptocurrencies, understand that this is just a beginning. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubts related to the bitcoins, altcoins or cryptocurrencies, then do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer all those. Thanks for watching.